Hey guys, welcome to yet another AI tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna compare two of the famous LLMs out there. The first one being our favorite Claude Fable 5 and the another one being a tough price to performance competitor that is the DeepSeek Expert. So yes, basically two different LLM models built on different methodologies, built by different nations with different mindset and different people. So yes, let us compare both of them out and see which one stands out in which case and which one is eventually the best one out for you. So without further ado, let us start. So first, if we talk about the Claude Fable 5, then it is generally considered as the superior model for coding and complex reasoning, boasting a higher LO and strong real-world task performance, such as the AA briefcase or SWE bench verified benchmarks. However, the DeepSeek, like its version 4 Pro or Flash iterations, dominates in price to performance, thus offering comparable capability at a fraction of the token cost. So if you want an expert breakdown of the same, we can put it together upon the different categories. So if we talk about the capabilities and benchmark, then the Claude Fable 5 frequently ranks as one of the best frontier models available for code generation, UI tasks, and complex agentic workflows. It excels at recognizing subtle, deep-level architectural optimizations, whereas the DeepSeek constantly lands within striking distance of Claude's benchmark scores, making it an extremely robust alternative for everyday engineering. So, without further ado, let's give each of them some tasks. Meanwhile, we discuss about the differences of the same. So, what we're going to do, ask both of them, is to create a single HTML file depicting a city skyline with meteor shower. So yes, apparently this is the prompt that we're going to use. I will simply copy paste the same prompt for the DeepSeek expert as well. And similarly for the Fable 5, I have kept the effort to medium for this one. And in here, I am not enabling the deep think as this makes the agent to reply to solve reasoning problems as it thinks before the same. So yes, instead of medium, I think I'll just choose the low option in order to make it a fair fight between the both. So yes, now let's send in both of our prompts and see what iterations do they create. So you can see that DeepSeek did not even think or thought for a second. It just started this HTML builder right here, as you can see within this particular subset. The good thing is that you can run it natively within the chat window, unlike Gemini. But yes, Claude also features a really great native HTML runner or code runner within its own channel. So as you can see, both of them are competing head to head, and let us see which one creates a better output. And meanwhile, we can also discuss about the pricing and efficiency of the same. So if we talk about the Claude Fable 5, it can be notably expensive with API costs running at $10 per 1 million input tokens and $50 per 1 million output tokens. Whereas the DeepSeek is significantly cheaper with top tier reasoning capabilities available for as little as $0.43 or 43 cents per 1 million input tokens and 87 cents per 1 million output tokens, though the rates vary depending on whether you use the Pro or Flash versions. So as you can see, both versions have been successfully made. First, we will see the one created by DeepSeek. So I'll simply run this command and you can see this is what it has created. I mean, it is not bad, but it is actually also not really very good. You can see the buildings, the lights does not actually meet up. But yes, nevertheless, the meteor shower actually looks like a missile strike going on any city. And apparently the moon is having its own eclipse, the lunar eclipse is going on. So yes, not bad for a first attempt, but yes, it could have been better. And with better, we mean nothing but the Fable 5. You can see it has depicted it more accurately. The moon is really clear. There is this outer glow for the moon. The meteor shower, the stars actually look like stars and not missiles. And even the buildings, you can see the clear separation between the windows, and they also have these red flashing alert lights at the top. And yes, I think the hue, the contrast, that considering the light pollution over here at the bottom and the horizon, I would say that the Claude is the winner. So basically, Fable 5 definitely wins with low effort. Also, the DeepSeek was also not far behind. So let's say I will give a DeepSeek a fair 5 on 10, whereas for the Claude, I will definitely give it a fair 7 on 10. So yes, DeepSeek is also very cheap, and Claude, on the other hand, is expensive and really great. So yes, what you want actually depends on your need and your budget. If you have a good budget, you should definitely go with Claude. But if you are looking something for cheap, for low budget, then yes, you can definitely go for DeepSeek. It's one of the best out there. So yes, that was all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.